Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Denise Glam Style Living. Today, I am participating in a Tablescape Tuesday open collaboration, and this collaboration is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Her special guest this week is Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden. The theme, A Queen of Hearts, Alice in Wonderland. Please go to these ladies' channels and show them some love and support. I will link their channel and the playlist in the description box below. Welcome to my first Alice in Wonderland tablescape featuring the Queen of Hearts and MacKenzie Childs. Come along with me as we jump down the rabbit hole and tour my beautiful table full of magic and adventure. Beware of the Queen of Hearts because she has a quick temper, and please try to stay on her good side or off with your head. My black rosette tablecloth was purchased from Mark, and it's one of my favorite. My heart-shaped table mats with the rose design came from Hobby Lobby. My chargers was purchased from MacKenzie Childs. My dinnerware came from HomeGoods. And I fold my napkin into bowls, and I'm using my heart ornaments as napkin rings. My red and white utensils was purchased from the at-home store. My Queen Anne chairs came from my local beauty supply store, and I put the red heart as a pillow. I'm using my black and white coaster, and my red glassware was purchased from Hobby Lobby. I have my centerpiece displayed on my MacKenzie Childs tray. My beautiful Queen of Hearts came from Wayfair, along with the Alice in Wonderland stacked teacup. I did this gorgeous floral arrangement with the hearts, and my floral came from Hobby Lobby. My Cheshire Cat teapot came from Hobby Lobby years ago. And my red and white mushroom with the hearts was also purchased from Hobby Lobby. My tall black candlesticks with the red candles came from Hobby Lobby as well. So now let's go over to my tree. My beautiful red tree was purchased from the at-home store during the Christmas holiday. I started decorating my tree by adding in my DIY MacKenzie Childs bowls that I made for Christmas. I made this gorgeous rose topper, and I placed small roses throughout my tree to bring in that romantic vibe for Valentine's Day. I went a step farther by adding in the playing cards for that touch of whimsical. I think this tree turned out absolutely stunning and so unique. Next to my tree, I have this adorable display with the white rabbit. Poor white rabbit, he always losing his gloves, misplacing his pocket watch, and running late. I had to lend him my clock so he can get to the tea party on time. I hope you enjoyed my first Alice in Wonderland tablescape featuring the Queen of Hearts and MacKenzie Childs. If so, then please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to tap that notification bell so you'll always be notified when I upload new video. To all my new and returning subscribers, thank you so very much for all your love, your kindness, and support. You are so amazing, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Please don't forget to share me out because I'm on the road to 3K, and it helps my channel to grow. Thank you, ladies, for this awesome collaboration and all the participants. Have a blessed and wonderful evening. Bye-bye.